Just got back from Aldi. This is my Aldi haul. Couple things I'm noticing. One, the groceries are making it to the other end of the island. That's a good thing. And let me tell you about the budget. I ended up right on budget. I spent $150, but I did get one bonus item that I'm going to share with you, which is not a grocery, not a food product. It's a house decor item, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. $170 total right here on the counter. All right, let's get into it. Let me share everything I bought. So we did get some zucchini. I was looking for some new vegetables, so I went with the 2-pack of zucchini. I'm going to be making chicken broth. I had bought that whole roasted chicken. I think that was last week. And I always take the carcass and I boil it down and I make our own chicken broth. Well, I need some carrots and celery for that. So I did pick up a package of each. Classic coleslaw. I always have this. Every week you'll see this in our haul. Coleslaw or some cabbage. And also our fresh spinach. As well as eggs. I went ahead and got 12. The egg prices are like the stock market. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. It was down a little bit. So got 12 eggs and was pleased about seeing a price reduction. Roasted garlic hummus. My husband loves hummus. Usually he gets it from Sam's. I mean, he eats so much, he gets it in bulk. But they didn't have it last time he went, so I just picked him up a small roasted garlic hummus. We got 2 cucumbers. That is for the hummus. Okay, I purchased not 1, not 2, but 3 bags of the restaurant style meatballs. These are made with the pork and beef. They're fully cooked. They're flame broiled. And if you watched my 10 slow cooker meals, you saw these very exact meatballs in there, and I'm gonna make a very similar recipe with that. 1 bag of those is for our recipe for this week, and then 2 bags is for our event that is coming up in 2 weeks. So I was pre-purchasing for an event. All right, ground beef. We always get a package of ground beef. My husband loves that with the coleslaw, and he makes that beef hash. And then other meat, other proteins. Chicken breasts, boneless, thin sliced. A nice full package of that. I'm gonna make lime coconut chicken this week, so I can pan fry those pretty quickly. Seasoned beef chuck roast. This is the birria seasoned chuck roast. Okay, I saw another YouTuber or something on Instagram. I don't know where I saw it, but they said, if you ever see this in Aldi, grab it. It was the last one. I took it as a sign. Okay, they probably had a ton of them in the back, but I'm going to say that seeing it as the last one and having that advice from another person saying, grab it if you see it, I grabbed it, and I got to go find that recipe and make that. That looks so good. I wanted a real big bag of frozen shrimp, but at Aldi they don't have the one that's deveined and tails off. So I just went with raw shrimp. They had this on sale this week, so I went with the raw shrimp, and it's peeled, deveined, and tails off. Love those steps they take, so I can make dinner quicker. So, and this will be fresh, and I wanted some shrimp, so that's perfect. Okay, 2 things I did get. Not sure which of these will make it in with the meatballs and that slow cooker meal. Smoked mozzarella ravioli or the 4 cheese gnocchi. I don't know which one. It's probably going to be the gnocchi that ends up going in that slow cooker with the meatballs and the sauce. So, but anyway, I like that. We don't eat a lot of this kind of pasta, but with those meatballs and the sauce, my husband's homemade sauce, this is going to be a really good, and my kids love it. Okay, they had orange roughy. It's frozen. I think there's only like 2 fillets in there, but I really wanted this. It's just to have something different. You get kind of burned out eating the same types of protein. So I was excited to see orange roughy, grabbed a bag of those. And then we have some dairy products. I got this time I went with extra sharp cheddar. Wisconsin extra sharp cheddar cheese. And these, I'm hoping, I read the expiration date. They will last a bit because I'm hoping these will be kept fresh and fine for our event in 2 weeks. They're so good. They're like these little rosettes. I wish you could see them. It's hard to see the detail, but they're like little roses that are made of cheese. And the texture when you eat them, it just melts in your mouth. Oh, it's worth it. They're like $1 extra than your typical cheese. I think they were like $5. So worth it. It's just like that specialty item, so I grabbed it. All right, we needed more Greek yogurt. Got the whole milk, got a tub of that, and my whipped cream cheese spread for my breakfast. Picked up a package of bacon. Over here, we have some more items. I picked up the Sunburst Blend bite-sized potatoes. I just thought they're a small enough package that we could just have a couple potatoes each, and that would be really good. I picked up, these are going to be items for our charcuterie area for our party in 2 weeks. I love these. If you've not had these, sea salt Marcona almonds, they are so good. You do need to try these if you like almonds. Even if you don't, they have a great texture and the flavor. Oh, I thought I got the rosemary. Oh, sea salt. If you see the rosemary, get the rosemary. But sea salt, those are fine. Those are going to be good. And then a nut blend, honey roasted almonds, cashews, and pecans. That is for the party. All right, canned goods. Picked up a can of pumpkin. This is going to be good in my coffee drinks and also overnight oats. And then this is for that slow cooker meal, the fire roasted diced tomatoes. I throw that in with the sauce and those meatballs and the gnocchi. I picked up a little can of green chilies and a can of just cut green beans. Sometimes I feel like I just need a side, a quick side. And I just wanted to try just to have a can of cut green beans on hand to just throw at us for some extra vegetables. Okay, taco seasoning. And again, for our charcuterie board, for our area, our grazing table, salami. I got the rustico salami. So I'll slice that up and serve it. And then 2 packages of the quick serve kind of rice. This is the 90-second tikka style, flavored with ginger and garlic. I love that, sounded really good. And I got this one to be healthier, Hearts of Palm, angel hair pasta. So it's only got 4 grams of carbs, so lower in carbs. Okay, so back to our grazing corner, pretzel slims, the everything pretzel slims. I also got the sea salt pita chips and the sea salt and olive oil Italian breadsticks. You see how they are in the glass like that and they offer height? That's gonna be perfect on our grazing table. Okay, I needed 2 things. Parchment paper, aluminum foil. I just needed those both because we're out of those. That's it. Oh, wait. It's not it. This is the item I was telling you about. This is the Aldi find. This is a clock. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's got this beautiful gold trim, the gold notches for the hours and then your dial. I love it. However, the place I was planning to put it, my husband reminded me that it is not easy access to get to this clock on the wall and replace the batteries that are likely going to go dead frequently. He's right. I'm not going to be replacing those batteries, taking this off the wall all the time. So, dang it. Anyway, it's okay. We're going to return that and try to find something else to work on that wall. All right, but that's the Aldi haul. You know, the next thing I'm gonna do is take out my whiteboard and share with you the menu, the items I have planned, the meals for the week.
Oh, but first I wanted to show you the other styles of the clock they have in case you're interested.
All right, here are our meals planned for the week. We're gonna make the paella with the cauliflower rice. So I have that seafood, some mussels and shrimp and extra seafood to use up. We'll do that. I have farro peach salad planned. That's with the chicken and the farro and the peaches I have from last week. Birria tacos with that wonderful birria roast. Orange roughy. I have to figure out what sides to go with that, but that's the seafood for the week. Meatball gnocchi, the crock pot meal. That's going to be so good. Coconut lime chicken with those thin chicken breasts. And then bang bang shrimp. And I have also leftover stilled chicken from that roasted chicken we made, that whole chicken from last week. I was thinking about maybe some chicken enchilada, maybe like a low carb meal. So that is the plan for the meals for this week. And then over here, events. We don't have any events this week. And my daughter left me a little note. She said, I love you. And I wrote, I love you too. So that was cute that she left that. And then some things we want to make. We have plenty of jalapenos left from the garden. So we're going to make some bacon wrapped jalapenos. That was what the bacon was for. And the chicken broth. I am going to make that homemade chicken broth with all of those vegetables. use up, looks like we still have to use up that ricotta and some of the lemons. I better check that ricotta, make sure it's still good. That is our plan for the week. Looking forward to all of it.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next video.